Hello students, welcome back. Students, in previous session we learned about rivers and bridges of Gujarat. Now let us read further. Our train was passing through one big city. On the way there were many bridges of roadways. On both sides of railway tracks, big buildings and markets were seen. Father said that it is Surat city. This city is famous for its diamond business and textile business in the whole world. This is the second big city of Gujarat after Ahmedabad. Train stopped when station came. Let me share some information about Surat with you. Students, Surat is a large city beside the Tapi River in Gujarat. It is the second biggest city after Ahmedabad. It is known as commercial and economic center of Gujarat. It is famous for its diamond and textile business. Because of its diamond business, it is called the Diamond City of India. Surat has maximum number of bridges in India. Do you know the Surat railway station was awarded as the cleanest railway station in 2016. Now let us read from textbook. Many passengers were moving on the platform. Here, somewhere people wearing different dresses were seen. Some women had worn sari like dhoti, while some men had wrapped white dhoti like lungi. Some people's language was also different. Father said people of different states have settled here for business. Kids, India is a vast country. People of different states, religion, caste live here together. Every state has its own language, clothing style, food and culture. From other parts of India, people come in Gujarat for business, service or education. They bring their culture, dresses, food and language with them. Children, let us have a look at dresses and languages of different states. Here you can see traditional dress of Maharashtra and Gujarat. In Maharashtra, women wear sari called Navwari and men's traditional dress is kurta dhoti called dhotar and feta. Language of Maharashtra is Marathi. Gujarat's traditional dress is chaniya choli for women and kedu for men. And people of Gujarat speak Gujarati. Students, in South region, men wear shirt and dhoti and women wear sari. Only the style of draping is different in every state. Like in Kerala, men wear shirt dhoti or lungi and women wear sari. Language of Kerala is Malayalam. In Rajasthan, men wear dhoti kurta with headgear pagdi and women wear ghagra, choli and odhni. Language of Rajasthan is Rajasthani. In Assam, men wear kurta, lungi and women's traditional dress is mekhla chador. Mekhla chador is a type of sari. Language of Assam is Assamese. Whereas in Jammu Kashmir, men wear Pathani suit and women's traditional dress is Firan. Language of Jammu Kashmir is Kashmiri. In Madhya Pradesh, men wear kurta dhoti and women wear sari. People of Madhya Pradesh speak Hindi. In West Bengal, the traditional dress of men is kurta dhoti and women wear sari. Language of West Bengal is Bengali. Students, try to find traditional dresses and languages of other states and write in your notebook. So, here people wearing different dresses have been seen. Father bought Sutar Feni and Ghari, which are famous sweets of Surat. Students, tell me which is the famous dish of Ahmedabad? Yes, Khamman Dhokla. Now let us read further. The train halted for 5 minutes and then moved. Father said Vapi would come soon after Navsari and Valsad. We would reach Vapi within an hour. Mother informed Mama by phone that our train would reach Vapi within an hour. Himaksh and I were happy to reach at Mama's home. Our train was going to reach Vapi, where we have to get down. Mama called that they had reached the station to pick us up. Our journey was long, but Himaksh and I enjoyed a lot. Now I panning off my diary. I shall write rest of the diary after reaching at Mama's home. Students, Ria's journey is over here. Ria started her journey from Gandhidham and reached Vapi after seeing many cities, rivers and bridges. Now students, let me discuss with you something about how electricity and water is supplied in the train. The power is supplied to moving train with a conductor running along the track. Look at the picture. These electric overhead lines provide electricity to the train. The water in the train is stored in the tanks attached with the coaches. This water is filled from the railway station from the water pipeline attached along with railway tracks. Look at the picture. How water is supplied in a train. Kids, have you ever experienced going through a tunnel? Isn't it exciting? A tunnel is a long passage which has been made under the ground, normally through a hill or under the sea. Now, home assignment. Fill in the blanks. Surat city is famous for its dash business in the world. Dash is the biggest city of Gujarat. Dash and dash are famous sweets of Surat. Dash comes after Navsari and Valsad. So, children, from this lesson, we have learnt that whenever we go for a journey, so many things we get to learn. I will be back with a new chapter very soon. Till then, bye bye.